Okay, in this video, we're going to, I wish I had my other little tablet, but it's dead. So this particular unit, my question to you is this air conditioner overcharged? I have a 85 suction, I have a 13-degree superheat, and I have a 8-degree subcooling, and my liquid line temperature, liquid line pressure is 342. Also, just to let you know, this is the information on the unit. So this will tell you the make and model, and it's R22. Alright, so now also we'll look at the coils. They don't appear to be horrible. There is some dirty spots. So my question to you guys is this overcharged? We will answer that in the next video.